everybody, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Julie. If you like my channel, please subscribe and like. It helps it out. If you're new, welcome. I hope y'all have a good time. I make gluten-free and sugar-free desserts, and I make healthy desserts. I used to weigh 373 pounds. I am now right at 200. That's over 173 pounds that I've lost. Anyway, I'm going to flip y'all around and show y'all what I eat and show you how to cook it. So hang on. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to need a purple onion. And this is stuff that I'm adding into it. We have 2 bell peppers. I'm going to cut those up and saute those into it too. Dijon mustard, Frank's Red Hot Original, ground beef, liquid aminos, that's in place of the soy sauce. I don't like the all-in-your-face soy sauce. Broccoli cuts, and I forgot one little thing, Himalayan pink salt. And I forgot brown sugar, and we're using the Splenda brown sugar. Okay, so what we're going to do first is start getting our rice to cooking.
Okay, so here I'm adding olive oil to the pan and I'm getting it hot. Okay, now what we're going to do here is we're going to slice our bell pepper. We're going to clean them out, gut them out, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to wash them out. And then, actually what I do is I think I slice them and then wash them. Anyway, we're going to slice them. Nope, I wash them before I slice them. Yeah, I did good. Okay. So anyway, we're going to slice them up and we're going to slice our onion up. And we're going to add those to our hot pan over medium heat. I don't know if I mentioned, but we also need to slice our onion. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to saute these down till they're a little tender. And then we're going to add about a teaspoon to tablespoon of sesame oil, toasted sesame oil. And then we're going to add our ground beef and we're going to ground it off. I mean, brown it off. Where is my head? Probably still in bed. Add a pinch of salt. I used to drain my grease straight into the trash can. Well, I found this little trick, not just from one of my YouTubers, but from a couple of the chefs that I watch. They use paper towels to drain their grease on. What's the difference? I mean, they're clean, aren't they? We wipe our hands on them. Okay, so what I did was I knocked the chill off of the broccoli, defrosted it kinda, and then put it in with my meat so it'll cook down a little bit. Then I added 2 tablespoons of ketchup. About a tablespoon or about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 4 tablespoons of liquid aminos, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. My brown sugar was a little bit dry, but it was just enough sweetness so it's spicy. Then I use the Frank's hot sauce, because you can put that on everything. Anyway, I used probably about 2 to 3 teaspoons, and then I put about 2 tablespoons of water in it. Okay, so now here what I'm doing is I'm mixing it all together, and then I'm going to add it to my stir fry.
My friends, that's dinner.